Bonjour, so we are on part 3 and we are going to learn again more on present tense. Just make sure that you master these questions and they'll only choose 3 questions present tense. We have a total of 15 questions, so 3 will be in the present tense, 3 in the past tense, and 3 either in the future tense or conditional tense. So there are no written work needed here, you'll be just listening and questions are chosen appropriately, so just make sure you revise it home because the same questions will count, only that we have to choose a few among them. So be confident and smile. So we are still using present tense. The first question for this video says, quelle est ta couleur préférée? Or the other way of asking it is, quel est ton plat préféré? And they all mean, what is your favorite meal? Nourriture means food, plat, meal. Pourquoi? Why? Then you say, j'aime la pizza, j'aime le riz, j'aime le poulet, j'aime les spaghettis. Or you can say, j'adore, and you say la pizza, le riz, le poulet, les spaghettis. Or you can say, je préfère la pizza, ainsi de suite. Or you can say, ma nourriture préférée est la pizza, le riz, ainsi de suite. And then why? You have to say because. Parce que c'est délicieux. You know, in most cases you can't just like something if it's not nice. It's because it's delicious. Quel temps fait-il? En été, en hiver, en automne, au printemps. I'm sure you understand. What is the weather like during summer, winter, autumn and spring? Il fait. Is an expression, so revised expression is using faire, and there's that one which is faire plus temps, used to express something about the weather. So you can go to the first video I posted, it was about expressions using faire. Alright, il fait chaud en été, the weather is hot during summer. Il fait froid en hiver, the weather is cold during winter. Il fait un peu froid en automne, the weather is a little bit cold during autumn. Il fait frais ou il fait beau au printemps. The weather is cool or the weather is nice during spring. Quel temps fait-il aujourd'hui? How is the weather right now? Okay. Alright. Then it means you have to say il fait beau, il fait froid, il fait chaud, il fait beau, il fait du vent. Revise those expressions, okay? How to tell the weather. It's cold, it's hot, it's nice, it's windy. Décris-moi le temps. That's the same question, just asked in a different way. Describe the weather, not the time, but the weather. Que fais-tu pendant les vacances de Noël, ou de Pâques, ou de Nouvel An? What do you do during Christmas holidays, Easter holidays or New Year? The other way of asking it, tu fais quoi pendant les vacances de Noël, Pâques, Nouvel An? What do you do during the Christmas holiday? You don't have to say that, so that's why we have put it in brackets. You don't have to say Christmas or Easter, you just need to say what do you do during the holidays. So you can just say, tu fais quoi pendant les vacances? Then the answer, je visite mes amis, I visit my friends. Je visite mes grands-parents, I visit my grandparents. Je visite mes cousins, I visit my cousins. Or you can say, j'aime faire du sport. There you can revise expressions using faire. J'aime faire de la musique, j'aime faire du saxophone, j'aime faire de la gym. It's up to you, just revise those expressions, they're very useful. Another option is j'adore aller à la campagne, or you can replace it with any other action, like j'adore visiter la plage. Like I like visiting the beach. Je préfère dormir, manger, cuisiner, visiter. I prefer to sleep, to cook, to eat rather, to cook and to visit. Up to you, the question is very open, just master a few answers. Où vas-tu pendant les vacances de Noël? Where do you go during Christmas holidays or Easter or New Year? The other way of asking it is, tu vas où pendant les vacances de Noël, de Pâques, de Nouvel An? The answer is je vais. There you just need to know the verb aller at the present tense. So please revise that one. Je vais, tu vas, il va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont. Cram it, okay? Je vais à la campagne. I go to the countryside. In Shona, it's called Kumusha. The other question. Tu aimes voyager? Actually, I was supposed to say, est-ce que tu aimes voyager? I'm supposed to start with est-ce que because it's a yes or no question. Do you like traveling? Then you have to say whether yes or not. So the answer would be oui ou no. Then if it's oui, which is yes, then you have to say because it's interesting. Parce que c'est intéressant. Then if it's no, you don't like traveling, then you just say the opposite. You say parce que ce n'est pas intéressant. Then the other question says pourquoi. So the pourquoi is why. Then that's the answer. Parce que c'est intéressant or parce que ce n'est pas intéressant. Then they asked you, tu aimes voyager? Do you like traveling? If you say yes, then the other question would be dans quel pays? Remember, dans quel pays? So your ears should be attentive to listen and hear pays. Pays means country. So in which country or countries? So you can say j'aime aller en France, c'est en Europe. Or you can say j'aime aller en Afrique du Sud, c'est en Afrique. Just try to revise a few countries and you replace them there. But remember, Zimbabwe, it's O Zimbabwe. It starts with O, not en. And Congo as well. And Maroc, it's O Zimbabwe, O Congo, O Maroc. Choose what is best for you and cram it for them. Then the other question, parle-moi de ta routine. Talk about your routine. What do you do from morning up to evening? I just chose the most relevant or the easiest. I don't know. Up to you. Je me lève à ... heure. I wake up at ... time. Je me lave à ... heure. I bath at ... hours. Je me brosse les dents à ... heure. I brush my teeth at ... hours. Je prends le petit déjeuner à ... heure. I take my breakfast at ... heure. Je vais à l'école à ... heure. I go to school at ... hours. Je me couche à ... heure. I go to sleep at ... hours. So you're supposed to know ... will be replacing it by numbers. So you should revise how to tell the time. 1 heure, 2 heures, 3 heures, 4 heures, 5 heures, 6 heures, 7 heures, 8 heures, 9 heures, 10 heures, ainsi de suite, and so on. Alright, let's move on. And there's a song on my routine on YouTube, so you can also download that one. Question 28 says, tu étudies où? Where do you study? J'étudie à Girls High School, j'étudie à Prince Edward, j'étudie à Queen Elizabeth. It's up to you, and it means I study at, and you say the name of the school. Or you can say, oh, then the other question says, depuis quand? Since when? Then you say depuis 2000 or depuis 2017. Meaning since 2000 or since 2017. Or you can even say depuis l'année dernière, which means since last year. So you have to revise days of the week, months of the year, and years. Then stick to it. Quel est ton film préféré? What is your favorite film? Just like English, I told you they were cousins. So when you hear film, it's just film in French, okay? Quel est ton film préféré? And then, if you don't understand, please just say répétez s'il vous plaît. Then the examiner will repeat, okay? Then you say j'aime, and you put the title of the film. Like here, I put War Room. Then they'll ask you why, pourquoi. Then you say because, parce que c'est intéressant. Make sure for every type of question, for every pourquoi question, every why question, make it simple and just say because it's interesting. Why do you like sport? Because it's interesting. Why do you like music? Because it's interesting. Why do you like your, I don't know, whatever, your sport or your music or something like that. Just answer c'est intéressant. Okay? Parce que c'est intéressant. Then you can replace j'aime with j'adore, je préfère. Or you can say mon film préféré est War Room. Why? Parce que c'est intéressant. Quel est ton passe-temps préféré? What is your favorite hobby? Okay. Quel est ton loisir préféré? Right? You can replace it. Or you can say quel est ton hobby préféré? Then you say j'aime faire du vélo. Once more. This is the third or fourth time I'm asking you to revise expressions using faire. They will help you a lot in this paper because most of the things that we involving those expressions, what you like doing, because most of the questions are about you, what you like doing. So you use faire expressions using faire. So you say j'aime plus those expressions. J'aime faire du vélo, j'aime faire de la musique, j'aime faire du sport, j'aime faire de la cuisine, j'aime visiter. There you don't say faire. J'aime visiter mes grands-parents. Alright. You can replace j'aime with j'adore. So it's j'adore faire du vélo, j'adore faire de la musique, ainsi de suite. Or you can replace it with je préfère. Or you can also say mon passe-temps préféré est une promenade à bicyclette. So here is a walk using a bicycle. Bicycle is bicyclette, but you can also call it vélo. So you can replace it by vélo and say une promenade à vélo. Or you can say mon passe-temps préféré est la musique. As short and precise as possible. Or mon passe-temps préféré est le sport, la cuisine, et visiter les amis. Ok.